Hello and welcome to Top of the Plots. My name's Nige. Jobs we got today now is picking the sweet corn, and I got some jobs to do on the shed, and maybe we'll have time to pick some potatoes. I'll show you around now. Here is the corn. We'll pick one of these now, see if they're ready or not. What do you reckon, guys? Never grown this before. Oh, look at that. Huh? We'll pick another one now. One for me now and one for the boss. Can you try this one there now? Here goes. Our first sweet corn. Well, I am pleased with that. Fantastic. It's really good. Not bad. Excellent. There's some turnips here. And maybe we'll have some beetroot as well. Let's have a look there now, guys. Oh. Not bad. Thin them out now, so the others can have a chance. I've planted them, probably planted them too close together, but to the beetroot then. Not bad. If I don't keep an eye on them, they're going to go to seed. Oh, that's a nice one. How are they? Swedes are the first year for me as well. They seem to be doing alright. I think the slugs are enjoying them. A nice size ones coming up. We're going to finish off now digging this row of potatoes up. Just going to get a fork now and something to put them in. Let's have a look, see how we've done that. I'm growing the weeds okay.
Well, Nigel's just come home with a bit of a surprise for me. I didn't know he was going to be harvesting any corn today at all. So, to show you guys what you've just seen him harvest up the allotment, he's going to unwrap it live.
Right. Hello everyone again. Just come back to the house now, and Karen has told me that we need to unwrap this in front of the camera. We need to take its clothes off. Right?
Make him naked.
I know. Like I said earlier, I've never grown these before, and I forgot to mention, the variety is Earlybird. Ah, dun, 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 dun. I thought I'd pick these today. I only picked 2.
These looking nice.
Like I said, I've never grown them. It's just something I fancy doing.
Look at that. Oh, that's pretty good to me anyway.
That's good, is it?
Well, yeah, I mean, from what we've read, when they said that sometimes it doesn't get fertilised, and then
I think these are the bits that aren't being fertilised.
Yeah, you got some, but I would say a good 2/3, if not more, of that corn on the cob is fab. Look at that. There's a little bit on the end, and I'll just cut that off with a knife. And then you got some fabulous corn on the cob. Come on, let's see what the other one is like.
See what number 2 is like.
How's everybody else's corn done this year? With the very, very odd weather.
Yeah, the weather's been
weather.
terrible. At one point, when I walked into the allotment and came through the gate, I thought it might have been blown over, but it wasn't that. It was the potato was growing up so tall. You know, plenty. Oh, look at that!
That one's even better again.
Yeah, this one's going to be mine then.
Okay then.
No,
yeah, the ends have gone. You see, the ends have gone brown.
The boss will go the best.
That's a good sign. Rustin's tinkling his bowl behind. As a naughty boy he is, even though he's eating all his dinner. Come on, Rust, the bowl's empty. Oh, look at that.
I think that's a success.
I think you can definitely say a success. Put them together on the table, so look.
Let's get your
Oh, don't worry about those. I'll clean them up later.
bits off. I should have done this. Should have done this at the allotment. Now I've learned a lesson there now. I should have done it. Or would it stay fresher? Bringing it back home, I guess.
No, it's fresher in its jacket.
In its clothes.
Yes, it's fresher, fully clothed, I think, and then I'll pop it in the pan.
Well,
so we got a couple of underdeveloped niblets there, whatever they call them. What do they call them? I don't know.
I know.
But that one's luscious. Look at that one. That is.
Yeah, plus we could cut it up in the
you
segments.
can buy them like that sometimes in smaller sections. But look at that. I mean, that's the niblets on that are huge. Kernels, that's the word, isn't it? Kernels. Look at that.
When you barbecue them, do you barbecue them in a jackets, like in clothes?
Some people do, and then some people just brush them with some oil or butter if you eat butter.
Suppose if we leave the jackets on, they could catch fire, couldn't they?
I'm going to steam them.
Steam them.
Lovely. Diane, well done, Nige.
Yeah.
Excellent. I look forward to more.
Yes.
And definitely more next year.
Yes. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it. Please let me know how I'm doing, and don't forget, get out there and do a bit. Have a nice day. Ta-da! Bye!